Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Doris, your favorite stretch practitioner, and I'm back with my series, Mini Moves by Doris D, and we're going to start with low back. Let's get into it. First, we're starting off with a few rounds of cat-cow, one of my go-to movements for warming up the spine. This stretch gently wakes up your lower back, increases spinal mobility, and connects with your movement and your breath. Pro tip, inhale as you arch your back and look up. Exhale as you round and tuck your chin. Try to move with intention, not momentum. Stretch number 2 is called thread the needle. This movement is amazing for opening up the mid-back, releasing tension in the shoulders, and even giving a little twist release to the lower back. Make sure you really sink into the stretch. Pause to breathe once you're settled into the hold. Now we'll move into a pigeon pose, my personal favorite. This pose works deep into your hips and also helps release tightness in the lower back caused by limited mobility in your hips. Don't rush this one, sink in slowly, support yourself with blocks if needed, and allow gravity to do most of the work. From there, let's loosen things up with the hip stirs. These small circular movements help release tension in the hip joints and activate your core to support your lower spine. Make sure to go both directions and feel free to make some circles wider or smaller as you warm up. Now we're moving into a supine figure 4 stretch, which is one of the best ways to release deep tension in the glutes, piriformis, and outer hips while keeping your low back supported. Lie on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite thigh, and gently draw your legs towards you. Use your hands behind the thigh or shin, whatever feels good for your body. Don't forget to switch sides. It's perfect for anyone sitting for long periods of times or dealing with low back tightness due to hip restriction. The final pose is up to you. To wrap it up, let's ground ourselves with either happy baby or child's pose, your choice. Both are amazing for gently decompressing the spine, resetting your breath, and ending on a calm tone. That's it for today's session, friends. I hope your back and hips feel a little bit more supported and open. What muscle group should I target next? Bye, y'all.